Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to send Slack notifications from GoHighLevel. So if you don't know it already, Slack can be natively integrated with GoHighLevel. Through that, you can send Slack notifications based on an event performed in GoHighLevel, like a form submitted, calendar appointment booked, or anything like that. Anything that happens in GoHighLevel, you can send a Slack notification because of that. In order to do that, we need to first integrate Slack. So we have a Slack account here. I have this one. So I want to send a notification to this channel called Leads in my Slack workspace. So first thing we need to do is integrate this Slack workspace with my GoHighLevel account. This is a demo GoHighLevel account, as you can see. First, we will go to the sub-account settings, then go to integrations and then find Slack. So we will hit connect, and you need to make sure that you're logged in to your Slack workspace in this same browser. So if you're not logged in, they will ask you to log into Slack. So as you can see, it's saying allow. So I'll just allow it, and it's going to grant all the permissions, and then it's going to integrate Slack with this GoHighLevel account. As you can see, successfully integrated. Now I'll hit OK. Let's say, what are we going to do? We are going to set a Slack notification if a form is submitted. So let's go to sites, go to forms. Let's create a quick form. So I'll just hit create new, and we will just create a form called contact form or something. This is the form, right? We want, when this form is submitted, a notification to go to the leads channel. And this same thing you can do for forms, surveys, calendars, chat widgets, anything, right? We have our form. Let's just hit preview and open it up. Now what we are going to do is go to automation. We just need to create a simple workflow with a trigger and an action. So we will hit new workflow. All right, let's just create a blank workflow, and we will say Slack notification.
Hey everyone, just wanted to take a quick moment to share my School community where if you join, you get to ask me questions about issues you're facing on GoHighLevel Ads Automation AI. You can also be a part of the weekly coaching sessions where I conduct training on many different topics, and we do a Q&A session after that. Besides, you get free access to a lot of my courses that I'm not uploading on YouTube anymore. Some of them you can already see on the screen. Also, there are members only discounts. So if you join, you get 50% off on my courses, my snapshots, my funnels, everything. That's pretty much what I want to share. See you on the other side.
Now, what will be the trigger? The trigger will be form submitted, and we will hit add filter. Form is contact form. This is the same form that we just created here. Save trigger, and in this action, it will be Slack. So before we do this, I just want to tell you that whatever Slack action you use in your workflows are premium actions. So for each execution, they will charge you. So I think it's 1 cent or something for each execution because it's a premium workflow action. Same thing for premium triggers. Like if you are using inbound webhooks in your workflows, you have to spend 1 cent per execution. So that's the same thing for Slack. It's a premium action instead of a premium trigger. So saying Slack, and it's going to ask me to select an account. I'm going to select the account that I just integrated with GoHighLevel, and here it's going to say event. I can either do direct message to a user, automatically send a message to a user. If you want to receive a DM notification into Slack, you can do that. Send private channel message. If the channel is private, send a public channel message. So I'll say private and select a private channel. So I'll say leads and say channel, new form submitted, and I'll say name, email, phone, because these are the information we are grabbing through the form. So the name will be contact full name, contact email, and contact phone number. That's our notification. This is what's going to go through. Now if we hit save action, save publish, so we've just published the work. If everything goes all right, we are going to receive a notification here once this form is submitted. So let's just test it. John Smith, right? And let's just submit everything here, button. This form is submitted, so the workflow should trigger a notification to the Slack channel. There we go. We just received a Slack notification based on a form submit, which happened because of this workflow. So it's very simple to integrate Slack because it's a native integration. We don't have to use Zapier or anything like that to integrate Slack with GoHighLevel. Hopefully this video was useful, and I'll see you in the next one.